Oh, yeah. Ground control to Major Tom. Ground control to Major Tom. Take your protein pills and put your helmet on. Ground control to Major Tom. Commencing countdown, engines on. Check ignition and may God's love be with you. This is ground control to Major Tom. You really made the grade. And the papers want to know who shot you where. It's time to leave the capsule, leave you there. This is Major Tom to ground control. I'm stepping through the door. And I'm floating in the most peculiar way. And the stars look very different today. For here am I sitting in a tin can, far above the world. Planet Earth is blue and there's nothing I can do. No. Oh. Though I'm past 100,000 miles, I'm feeling very still. And I think my spaceship knows which way to go. And while I love her very much, she knows. Take control to Major Tom, my circuit's dead. There's something wrong. Can you hear me, Major Tom? Can you hear me, Major Tom? Can you hear me, Major Tom? Here am I floating around my tin can, far above the moon. Planet Earth is blue and there's nothing I can do. Pow, pow. Oh, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Space Oddity.